क्या अर्जुन बिजलानी आएंगे नागिन 4 में, या अर्जुन छोड़ेंगे टेलीविजन हमेशा के लिए, या रखेंगे अर्जुन बॉलीवुड में कदम? आइए जानते हैं। अर्जुन बिजलानी टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री में 15 साल के बाद अब इस पोजीशन में है कि अब वो ये बोल सकते हैं कि दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ। और जब इस बारे में अर्जुन से पूछा तो उन्होंने एक लीडिंग पोर्टल को बताया, आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दैट एक्टिंग इज माई पैशन, बट फॉर सो मेनी years I have been working day in and day out for more than 14 hours each day. I don't know when my son turned 4. I didn't want to continue at that pace, and therefore I decided that I would just host a dance reality show till the time something challenging came my way. This is the best time of my life because fiction is not a part of my life right now. I want to use this time to decide where I want to see myself in the next 4-5 years. अर्जुन जो कि अभी डांस दीवाने शो होस्ट कर रहे हैं, उनका कहना ये है कि उन्हें फिक्शन से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मगर उनका मानना है कि इट्स हाई टाइम और फिक्शन शो को अब ज्यादा टाइम तक रन नहीं करना चाहिए। Once you keep doing fiction shows for years, you face a mental block. We shoot 10 scenes every day for almost 320 days in a year for 14 hours each day. We hardly get any offs, so one gets saturated mentally. All TV actors would agree with me. When you shoot at that pace, acting becomes a job, and acting is not a job. I have been saying that TV shows should be of limited episodes so that there is more focus on content and creativity. अर्जुन ने पिछले 15 साल में काफी शोज को ठुकराया है। A lot of creative liberties are taken when you make a show. Some of them are also illogical. With finite series, the writers and the production house get more time to work on the script. It is not like, अरे TRP थोड़ा बढ़ गया, चलो इसको 6 months चलाओ, अरे TRP कम हो गया, इसको आज ही बंद कर दो। You just can't keep changing the story every week. Our system needs to improve. Our films are getting better. I think TV should also become better in terms of content. As an actor, there are a lot of times when I am not convinced about something, but I still do it just because there is no time for discussions. There have been times when I had to put my foot down while I was doing the show. Also, I can do that at this stage in my career. A lot of new actors can't. When I was new, I knew that some things weren't right, but I could not ask for any changes in the script. Nobody would take me seriously. अर्जुन बिजलानी का नागिन 4 का हिस्सा बनने के सवाल पे कुछ ये जवाब दिया, I don't know if Nagin 4 is coming or not. I'm not even thinking about it. I have been a part of the show before, but I don't know if I will be a part of it, even if there's a Nagin 4. और अर्जुन ने ये भी रिवील किया है, उनके आज तक का सबसे एंटरटेनिंग शो नागिन रहा है। I know some people call it regressive, but I don't think so. Nagin is a fantasy fiction, and snakes have always attracted the Indian audience. If the show would have said that it was inspired by a real story, then that would have been wrong. What I did in the show had nothing to do with snakes. I was part of the love story. In fact, when I was offered Nagin, I was very skeptical. I told the makers, मैं कोई सपेरा नहीं बन रहा. But it turned out to be one of the highest rated shows of my career. आप सभी का अर्जुन बिजलानी के नागिन 4 में आने का क्या ख्याल है? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूले और ऐसे ही टेली मसाला के साथ बने रहिए।